All right, guys, we got a 2020 Honda Accord. We're gonna replace the battery. This battery is not cheap, so this is 48 GHRA group, okay? 770 cold cranking amps. That's what we're using right here, right? So here's the positive, and here's the negative. Make sure negative is that way, positive is this way, just like that. Negative is that way, positive is this way, because other than that, you're gonna connect this baby wrong and be in trouble. So what we're gonna do is, to start with, we're gonna loosen up this bolt. Okay, a lot of times when you change your battery, all your lights in the dash is gonna appear after that because you need to do a lot of calibrations. Your idle will go on, but this car was already dead. But if you could save the memory, that's beautiful. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna have my friend help over here. I don't wanna mess with this sensor here. So I wanna disconnect the ground from the side. And I'm gonna put this here. This is loose. The reason why I took that apart is because this can be out of my way as far as possible. You're gonna probably have to turn this little guy right here, this plastic screw looking guy. My friend's here over here, but he's not helping me. Not yet. I need you to pull this. There you go. This has got to stay there. I'm gonna loosen this guy. I got a bad back. Okay. Can't be doing another monkeying around anymore. So this, hold it the same way, okay? Because if you switch it around, it might be trouble for you. So keep it the same way. So my friend here is gonna take this battery out for me, and these handles look kind of crappy. Okay, all right. So nope. You can't use the handles because these handles are broken. Okay, now you can use it. This gotta stay in there. Yep. Go easy up. Put it on the floor. Watch your head. Okay, he's gonna take this battery for me. Put your hand, make sure you don't drop it. Put it right in the center there. Go down slowly. There you go. Perfect. This guy's a master tech mechanic. He gets a discount today. All right, take out the jacket from this guy. Grab the other side. And here's the North Face right here for this guy. So he's gonna be nice and comfortable in winter. There you go. What we're gonna do here is, we're gonna get our bracket, same way. Pull this, yank this cable here, push it that way. I need to go right back over here. The hook goes on each side, so I'm sure you guys can do that without looking. Okay, this side, where are we at? Move your hand, let it go. Can't see nothing. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna get those hooks, that's fine. But let's move on. We're gonna put positive in. Put your hand in here so this stays down. And we're gonna lock that up. What we're gonna do is bring this cable over. First, we're gonna put this ground here. And you gotta flip it like that. So this gotta go into this little slot right here. And if you take this side off, and this will ground everything for you right there. Now we can put this baby in. Tap. This goes in nice and easy. There you go. Whew. So all I need to do is tighten these two up and then stick this right in. This, you push it right in, it goes right in, and you're all done. After this, we're gonna go inside the vehicle. We're gonna do all kinds of calibration. Drive the car. There's gonna be a lot of lights on. If you drive it, some of them will go away, but we'll do that in a moment. Okay, so this little spray is for battery terminal. If you have this, if you don't have it, that's fine too. But just, I like to spray this guy right here and right there. Try to avoid spraying the sensor. Okay, there you go. A little bit. It's not going in. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done. We're gonna go inside the car and do some calibration. Okay, we're inside the car. We're gonna start the car. You don't need that jump. Okay. So we got a new battery and a new alternator. So this video is just about changing the battery. So start up the car. You're gonna have all the lights in the dash there. That's fine. You have to drive it. All I want you to do is do a calibration. Go to menu here. Where's your menu? Let it load up. Press menu. So if you got all the lights in the dash after changing the battery, press OK. Okay, so you have to hold that for 2 seconds. Press, go to settings. Vehicle. TPMS calibration. Calibrate. Some of the lights will go away, but I want him to drive the car and all the lights should go off after that.